If you've been asked to give an accommodation to a student on a quiz, say additional attempts or additional time, it's very simple to do in Canvas. So I have a quiz up that we're going to look at. It's called War Mice the Quiz. You're going to see all the information about it here. And you notice that I have a 30-minute time limit on it. So let's say I have an accommodation for a student or a group of students that I need to give them double the amount of time. You go to the quiz, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see a selection, Moderate this quiz. Now, you'll only see this as long as the quiz is published and the course is published. So I'm going to go into Moderate this quiz and see a list of the students that I have in this class. Now, if I need to do an accommodation for both of them, I can simply come up here to the very top where it says Student, click the checkbox, and you notice that it selects all of the students that I have. Below that, I have a link that says Change Extensions for the two selected students. I can simply click on that and it'll bring up a student extension where I can give them an additional attempt or I can give them an additional amount of time on this particular quiz. Now, if I only have one of these students I need to accommodate, what I do is I simply go and find the student I want. Let's say it's this first student. Go all the way to the right and you're going to see a pencil icon. Click on that. It'll bring up that same student extensions box. I need to give them double the amount of time. So this is a 30-minute time limit. So I'm going to give them an additional 30 minutes. See, extra time on every attempt. So you don't put the amount of time total. So if it's a 30-minute quiz and you need to double it, you would not put 60 in that box. You would simply put the amount of time extra that they need. So in this case, if I need to double it and it's 30 minutes long, I put an additional 30 minutes. You hit save, and that's all there is to it. You'll see it listed in this moderate list that this particular student gets some additional time on this quiz. No one else will see it. The student, when they take the quiz, it'll just automatically give them the additional time that they need. And that's how you do moderation.